This is our fancy tester. It could measure voltage on types of metal wire, poly wire, rope, and poly tape, test fancy line, Energizer, ground system, hookup wire, and fence components. Neon light indicates voltage from 1 to 8,000 kV with long surface of normally 20,000 times. Recesses on both sides is comfortable to hold. Frosted filling out case will not hurt your finger. Matted case does not absorb light. Not dazzling. Durable ABS case could withstand cold weather, but not waterproof. When using, just insert the probe into the ground. Touch the hook to the wire or tape to get a voltage reading. Visible reading is not as bright as LED. Compact design enables you easy to carry. It will not take you too much space.